We have a 2013 63 reg Skoda Citigo 1 litre. It's a 5-door. It's got 21,000 miles on the clock, and this one is a category S, which is structural from the insurance company. Although this one, when you look at it, it's not whatsoever. Right, so this side, nice and clean, apart from a little scuff down there, which probably someone's rubbed against another car or I don't know, a fence or something like that. And that's a good sign as well. So if you're in the National Trust, you're not going to be racing this car around. You're going to be going to museums and so forth. So this side is nice and clean, no damage, no dings or scratches. It's very, very clean. In fact, inside is great as well. I might as well show you while I'm here. Someone has really looks after it. Hopefully you can see in this light, but it's a super nice clean car. A little stain there which probably need to get cleaned, but that's about it. And the same in the back as well. It doesn't really look like anyone's sat in the back whatsoever. So this side all good, and so is the top, no damage, and the back is good as well, apart from a little doopy down there which we just touched up. I'm not doing anything else but touching that up. Down this side is nice and straight and clean as well, apart from this side here. So we've got a bump on the corner. This was actually bent over slightly more, but I've just twisted it over with my hand just so it's pretty much straight, but that will need painting. But I'm not going to paint the whole bonnet. I'll just paint down to this seam here, crease. You'll never notice it. If it was a flat bonnet you'd see it, but because it's got that line down it, we'll get away with just painting that corner. It's broken the headlight, you can see there, and also the wing. This was actually pushed in a little bit more, but I've just pulled my hand out and stretched it back into shape so it doesn't touch that door there. And around the front there we've got a little mark on it as well, so that will be painted. In fact, the whole bumper will be, because of that other little side. I have a new wing, and I've bought a Volkswagen one, and I have a new headlight and probably wheel trim as well, and that is it. So wing, bonnet corner, headlight and bumper. And we'll pop the bonnet now, have a quick look underneath. It's nice and straight and clean. You can see it's broken up there as well. And this isn't bent. These normally bend, these little arms here. And that's it, but no damage inside. And that leg is perfectly straight. And what I've done is I've also taken off the wheel arch liner because it needed a wishbone underneath there as well because it was slightly bent. But I'll put pictures on the video so you can see exactly what was done. Around the back of the boots, we've got a genuine wing because they fit nicely, and the bracket behind it always bends. They look okay, but if they're kind of 2 or 3 mil out, it won't fit right, so we've bought another one of those. They're only £12. And we've got a headlight, which is good. It's a Hella one. It's not a cheap, crappy one. So, in short, these normally retail for nearly £4,000. It is an easy fix. We'll have that little corner done there, the wing, the bumper and the headlight, and it will be back on the road within the day pretty much. And this one will probably be up for $2,995, and with 21,000 miles on the clock, this one has got a super long life left in it, and it'll be exactly the same as it was before, or near as damn it.